Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is part 5 of the big fence we've been working on. 6-inch post, 5 horizontal rails, and an 8-inch entryway with 2 horizontals on top. If you haven't seen the previous videos, we'll put links in the description of those videos so you can go catch up. In last week's video, we laid out the fence using a string line and our eyeball. This week, we're literally going to be cutting a bunch of holes and cutting a bunch of pipe. If you own a welding machine and want to build your own fence, but don't know exactly where to start, or maybe you're wanting to start your own business building fence, we are actually creating a pipe fence course that is now open for enrollment. You can find it on my website, arosswelding.school. Enrollment is only open for a few more days. The deadline is Sunday, October 10th at midnight. Here we are out here building fence. Beautiful morning. Sun's just now coming up. Jared's dog is having a blast, rolling around in the dirt. Old Mac. I'm cutting circles with the circle burner. You can find the circle burner in the Aross Welding shop at arosswelding.com/shop. Jared is over there cutting the 4.5-inch pipe to length. And we're fixing to hit it hard. Our goal is to get all the rails in today, and cross my fingers. We'll see what happens. This here is the progress that was made the day before. Jared was out here by himself. Holes were already cut over here, and he just cut rails and put pipe in the holes and then put the first pass in these 3 sections here. Here I am cutting holes once again. That's literally all I did, was cut holes, and then whenever Jared got all the pipe cut that was in stands, I would go over there and help him put rails in. And then we would just repeat the process. This is the size of fence where it definitely helps to, or is definitely beneficial to have help putting the rails in, because they were not light by no means. Do you like saving money? I know I do. What you're buying whenever you buy the pipe fence course is years of experience. Things that I could have told myself at 18 years old or 20 years old that I've learned within the last 10 years. Not only about building pipe fence, but about the business side of things. So whether you're a landowner or somebody that wants to start a pipe fencing business, the course is for you. The idea is for you to spend money on the course, but then ideally get it back because of the time you will be saving and the money you will be saving by learning these things ahead of time. If you're interested in the pipe fence course, you can find it on my website, arosswelding.school, but it's only available for a few more days. Enrollment ends Sunday, October 10th at midnight. So go check it out if you're interested.
Right there.
Here we are using the old handy dandy gin pole. You can find prints of the gin pole on my website, arosswelding.com/shop under digital prints. Super handy. So this landowner has a tractor, but while we were doing this job, sometimes it was available and sometimes it wasn't. So having the gin pole kept things moving even whenever we didn't have a tractor available. So this was the progress we made today. Super excited. I love seeing this thing come together. We definitely didn't meet our goal, but we tried. And now we know. It's actually my advice for this week is having goals when it comes to work, especially whenever you're just starting out. Really always have a goal for that day. For one, I think it just keeps you motivated to keep moving that day. And for two, it'll get you in the mindset of working towards bidding jobs versus doing hourly. If you are interested in learning how to quote jobs, the pipe fence course that we are creating actually has a section for business owners. We will be talking about the nuances or all the ins and outs about how to quote jobs hourly, the whole job. There's so many nuances and different variables whenever it comes to quoting jobs. So that's why we wanted to include it in the course, because it just made sense. If you're going to build pipe fence for a business, it would be nice to know some of the things that I had to learn the hard way 10 years ago. That way you can be 10 years ahead when starting out your fence business. If you are interested in the pipe fence course, keep in mind it is only open for enrollment for a few more days. Sunday, October 10th at midnight is when enrollment will close. So go check it out if you're interested. Thank you all for all your support. And remember, learn something every day.